Hello friends, today I am going to explain you how to score excellent rank or how to crack NEET PG 2022 exam in last 50 days study. Guys, is it possible to crack exam in last 50 days? Yes, is it possible? Is it possible to score excellent rank in last 50 days? Possible. How to crack? Question. How to crack? How to study? Last 50 days is always important. Always important. Guys, every day I am going to provide you three topics. Three topic. Each topic 10 minutes. Some topic is 8 minutes. Some topic is 6 minutes. Three topics in a day. Very high yield topic. For example, glaucoma. For example, renal stones. For example, physiological changes of pregnancy. Schizophrenia. Antipsychotic drugs. Autopsy. Postpartum changes. Local anesthetic drugs. General anesthesia. Inhalation anesthesia. Fetal circulation. Menstrual physiology. Such topics. Every exam, at least one MCQ from one topic is there. So how to study? For that, I bring one program. Already doctors took subscription. Already so many batches are running. From 11th of January, I am going to start new batch. From 11th of January till end of February, I am going to finish all 50 days course. From 11th of January till end of February, I am going to provide you 150 high yield topic. Every day 3 topic. Guys, if you revise every day, in all topic, I am going to cover from all 19 subject. Also 2000 very high yield MCQs. MCQs are available on YouTube in playlist NEET PG 2022 MCQ. Till now I already provide around 162. Still 1800 something MCQs are left. Soon I am going to complete that. But MCQs I am not focusing now. MCQ number I am going to increase from February. And I am going to complete all course last week of February, and 12th March you have exam. So 11 days in your hands to study, and during 11 days also I am going to provide you some very high yield material, some MCQs, and I provide you the technique how to attempt MCQ, how to score excellent marks, and I am going to provide you Brahma Shastra, but in the last few days, not now. Now you have to study hard. If you want to join that subscription program, price is 5,000 rupees and fee is non-refundable. All 19 subject I am going to cover. There is 150 high yield topics. Lot of probability. Maybe you are going to receive 2 MCQ from one topic. That also possible. For example, postpartum hemorrhage, 1 MCQ. Okay. Like capnography, 1 MCQ is there. Pregnancy drugs are which are contraindicated and which are drug of choice in pregnancy. Always there is 1 MCQ in examination. Such topics they are going to ask you. Okay. So guys, if you really interested, if you want to join that program, and if you want to score excellent rank, and if you want to crack exam in a single first attempt, you can take that subscription. And how to take that subscription? In description you can go, and there is a payment option. You can pay, and contact on WhatsApp number also, helpline number there. So guys, if you really interested, if you really want to study hard, and if you in books what happen, there is a 50 pages of one topic or 10 pages. I summarize in 10 lines one single topic, and most of the MCQs are coming from that 10 lines. Okay, so why there is a difference between toppers and those who fail in exam. Toppers also study and failures also study well. Even failures study more, toppers study less. Failures study in a wrong path, wrong track, wrong books, wrong direction. But toppers study short, small, right path, right track. So guys, if you want to study on a right path, right track, then you can subscribe my that subscription program. Payment is 5,000 rupees. And guys, if you think 20,000 MCQs, 25,000 MCQs and videos around 600 hours, it's impossible. It's possible but very difficult. In last 50 days, not a good idea to choose 25,000 MCQs, 18,000 MCQs or 600-hour video or 180 hours video. No use. Okay. So it's my golden advice. If you want subscription, if you want to score excellent marks in a short period of time, in a short manner, then you can take that subscription. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all.